I woke at 4 a.m. 30 minutes before my alarm today. Just starving, probably because I missed dinner last night. So I figured that's a good sign, I hope. I got up and had some food to get me into work, and let's see if today's any better. I'm disappointed to find myself sick for this workout. I think this could be a good one for me. It's something I could be competitive at. I really thought healthy I could get this one done in under 20 minutes. Not so sure today. It's just a matter of can I get it done.
Oh, we are on your phone. Take your time, man. You're not afraid to fall down. Ease, please, lie. Do it with ease, you're better. Do it with ease, young man. Do it with ease, you're better. Do it with ease, follow me now. Do it with ease, you're better. Do it with ease, young man. Do it with ease, you're better. Do it with ease. So refreshing and just like a cool breeze. It reminds me of the mountain and the rivers and trees. I reflect upon the Bible and the birds and the bees. It reminds me of the animals that feed and the leaves. Now when you go to Poconos, I'm a rent of your seat. You may get the wrong size, me let the book on the streets. You're a thick world sweater and a pair of leaves. Now me jacket front open every minute to your sneeze. Follow me face, run up a ice and my body start freeze. I and I this Jamaica where it's 90 degrees. I feel the metropolitan sound, people all in sea. Chinese, unite America, British, Vietnamese, unite Mexico and the Portuguese, unite the Indians and all Japanese, unite Indonesia and the Philippines, unite every island in the West Indies. All I have to do is ask to get a please and go down on my bended knees and let me do it with ease, do it with ease, young man, do it with ease, no better, do it with ease, no man, do it with ease, do it with ease, young man, do it with ease, no better. Do it with ease, everyone has their own idiosyncrasies. People are governed by ideologies, facts and figures and philosophies, scandals, bans and passes histories, documents, governments and public decrees, bylaws, no cause and false treaties. But them do it with ease and this, do it with ease, man, do it with ease and this, do it with ease, do it with ease and this, do it with ease, man, do it with ease and this, do it with ease. You know you see the signs in the stars up in the galaxies, like Capricorn, Gemini, Taurus, Virgo, Cancer, Pisces. Sagittarius, Scorpio, Aquarius, Libra, Leo, Aries. I know a thing or two about the Greek mythologies. Plato and Aristotle used the power of Socrates. Every once in a while, them will go to Socrates. There were people like Isis and Ulysses. But I know who's stronger, Samson or Hercules. Alliance with the life of the man named Androcles. Argos protected the golden fleece. To the north, to the south, to the west, to the east, to the whole wide world, I just keep the peace on the mouth. Do it with ease and this, do it with ease, young man, do it with ease and this, do it with ease, do it with ease and this, do it with ease, young man, do it with ease and this, do it with ease. Coconut, rent some skis, wrong size, toast up to squeeze, work better, they have least, that it was open and make a sweet, follow me, this purple, ice and me, but it's not, this I'm a, this not, make up reality, and it is up to the mash up all sound and triple and speed and full up on the pub as long as I please. I'm those that want, back on them knees, go some them and let them think and disease, back them in dungeon and think that they keep out, turn them in middle of the Lucy's. Do it with these are going, do it with these young man, do it with these are going, do it with these, follow me now, do it with these are going, do it with these young man, do it with these are going.
That was a workout I seriously considered skipping or postponing until I could breathe again, but what the heck, if you can't breathe anyhow, you may as well do a gasser like that. I actually did okay, 18:01, so I got under 20, which I'm happy with, and it should be enough to hold off anybody not named All-Star or The Touch. Though, you know, I gotta worry about Cowboy nowadays too. You never know with him. But I felt pretty good. What I did differently is knowing that I don't have a lot of cardio right now, I just tried to keep it pretty aerobic. I didn't go too hard on any of the exercises. I didn't go till I was winded. I just tried to pace myself rather than worry about speed of my reps. just trying to maintain a consistent pace. And that seems to have worked pretty well for this. That might be a strategy going forward.
Sometimes it has to be a ragamuffin. Well, ragamuffin. Sometimes it has to be a ragamuffin.